So hey everyone, welcome back once again to Cars Infinity. I am Varun and today I'll be sharing all those cars that are available to you if you're looking to buy a car within 6 lakh rupees. Yeah, you got me right, within 6 lakh rupees. So you're watching Cars Infinity, let's begin the video. The first car in the list is going to be Maruti Suzuki Swift. It's the top selling car in its segment since its first generation. It comes with a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine that gives a power of 81.8 bhp and returns an impressive fuel economy of 20 to 22 kilometers per litre. Not only this, the Swift comes loaded with a ton of features. It has power windows both for the front and rear windows, it has dual airbags, it has ABS, EBD and also contains an infotainment system that supports connectivity through Bluetooth, aux and USB. The Maruti Swift is priced at 5.18 lakh rupees for the LXI variant and 6.18 lakh rupees for the VXI variant. The second car in the list is going to be Nexa's Baleno. Nexa's Baleno has the same engine as the Swift. It has a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine producing 81.8 bhp of power, and the pricing for the Nexa Baleno is going to be 5.7 lakh rupees for the Sigma variant. All the prices that I'm going to mention today in the video are ex-showroom Jaipur. If you're looking for something that's bigger than the Swift and that's something premium than it, then surely Nexa Baleno is the right call for you. The third car in the list is going to be from Hyundai. It's the Hyundai Grand i10. The Hyundai Grand i10 comes with a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine producing a power of 82 bhp and returning a fuel economy of 15 to 17 kilometers per litre. The Hyundai Grand i10 comes loaded with a ton of features. It has front plus rear power windows, it has front fog lamps, rear parking sensors, dual airbags, ABS, EBD. Also the infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The Hyundai Grand i10 is priced at 6.02 lakh rupees for the Magna version and 6.35 lakh rupees for the sports variant. The next car is going to be from Hyundai. It's the Hyundai Elite i20. The Hyundai Elite i20 has a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine producing 82 bhp of power and returning a fuel economy of 16 to 17 kilometers per litre. It's priced at 5.6 lakh rupees for the Era Executive model. If you're looking for something that's bigger than the Grand i10, Elite i20 is certainly the option for you. The next car we have today is from Tata. It's the newly launched Tata Altroz. The Tata Altroz comes with a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder engine producing 84.8 bhp of power, and it has some features like infotainment system that supports connectivity through Bluetooth, USB, aux. It also has dual airbags, ABS and EBD. The pricing for Tata Altroz XE variant is going to be 5.3 lakh rupees and the XM variant is priced at 6.15 lakh rupees. If you're looking for a car that has a bigger boot which has more comfort than these hatchbacks, so you can certainly opt for mini sedans. The first mini sedan in this segment is going to be Maruti Suzuki Dzire. It comes with a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine producing 88 bhp of power and returning a fuel economy of 21 to 23 kilometers per litre. The Maruti Suzuki Dzire is priced at 5.9 lakh rupees for the LXI variant. The next car is going to be Honda Amaze. The Honda Amaze is a premium mini sedan that comes with a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder engine producing 87 bhp of power and returning a fuel economy of 17 to 19 kilometers per litre. It has front plus rear power windows, rear parking sensors, dual airbags, ABS and EBD. The E variant of the Honda Amaze is priced at 6.04 lakh rupees ex-showroom Jaipur. So these were some cars which you could certainly consider while purchasing a new car, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Cars Infinity. Thank you so much.